Hey YouTube, let's do this song by Faye Webster called Dreaming. The day I met you, started dreaming. It's the main part of the song, C. Pick up your index finger, you can go to C major 7. That's what the melody's doing. Then we go to A major 7. We go to a D minor 7. Ends on G. Just regular G. C. A minor. D minor 7. G major. And then the chorus is F major 7, C major 7. Baby, tell me where you wanna go. Alright, that's the whole song. So let's learn these. Alright, she plays C with a G in the bass like this. Some people learn to play C this way. It's just, a variation. You don't have to play it like that. You just play regular C. And you can go to that C7, C major 7. And then we go to A minor 7, so that's like a C, and then you just pick up your ring finger. And then D minor 7 is almost like a F, except we don't play the D string, we just leave it open. Barring 2 strings here, and on the 2nd fret we're playing the G string at fret 2. And then just regular old G. And then F major 7 is like the stair step shape, I call it. Just play from D string down. And then C major 7 we covered before. That's what makes it kind of sound so jazzy, is these major and minor 7 chords she's using. And we got a capo on the 1st fret, obviously. You don't have to use that unless you want to play along with the record, then, but if you just want to play it and sing it yourself, you don't need the capo. All right, thanks for that request. Have fun playing it. Bye.